Hey, I'm so excited to do this video today. It's been a long time coming. Basically, I'm going to be trying out a cleansing technique that is supposed to pull out all of your blackheads. So I feel like I'm a little bit late coming to the party here with this cleansing oil technique, but you know, I just had to give it a go. So today is the day. And just to say welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed already, please hit the subscribe button and get the notifications bell going so that you get told every time I upload a video. I upload videos twice a week on Mondays and Fridays. And if this is the first time that you come here, thank you so much. Just to explain, Self-Care Karen is all about my self-care journey where I measure my success by how much joy I feel. My channel looks at the law of attraction, it does guided meditations, and I also explore my obsession slash addiction to beauty products. Now, I have just started up a mailing list and I'm calling those that join part of the SCK tribe. If you'd like to join my mailing list and just get brief messages with grounding, inspirational thoughts and special offers for my Etsy shop, then please sign up. You can sign up at selfcarekaren.com. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Pinterest. So I think that's enough self-promotion for now. Let's get into today's video. Okay, so you may have already seen this in other people's videos. I saw this on a James Welsh video. And basically the idea is that you rub oil, cleansing oil, onto your face for around 30 minutes. We'll see how I fare on that time span. And it draws out, there's something about the rubbing of the oil into the skin that draws out the blackheads. And yeah, James Welsh has done it, but other people have done it and they're like, have amazing results. And I have a major issue right now with blackheads around my nose particularly. But I guess they're kind of on the chin as well and up in the forehead. So I thought today would be the day to give it a go and share my experiences with you. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to cleanse my face and then get comfy somewhere, turn the camera back on and apply the oil and start the technique. So see you in a second. Okay, so I've removed my makeup with the Curel makeup remover. The eye makeup hasn't quite come off, but I think that this technique will hopefully remove that. My apologies for the state of my skin. I have, gosh, it looks terrible around here. I need to have some attention to the forest that is growing on my face. And I'm hopefully going to get that later this week when I venture out. And hopefully I can find someone that will thread my eyebrows and other areas of my face. So apologies for that. But you can see if you look at my nose that I actually have a lot of blackheads in that area. And I've got some down here, but they're probably not quite as visible. But I can see them when I look in the mirror. Okay, so I'm going to start this technique, and as I understand it, all it requires is some cleansing oil and some time, okay? So I have chosen to use, well, it's not really choosing, I think this is the only cleansing oil I've got at the moment, but I really like it, so that's fine. This vitamin C cleansing oil from Superdrug, it's called the Radiant Oil Cleanser. It's apparently infused with vitamin C. And it's also got cardamom plum extract and goji berry extract, okay? And I really like this cleanser actually. So I'm going to put a few drops, you can see that, a few drops onto the palm of my hand, and I'm going to wipe that onto my face like so, maybe a little bit more. And I am just going to do this for as long as I can take it until I see results. Yeah, apparently this is all you need to do to get the blackheads to come out. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ask Alexa to play some nice relaxing music, and I'm gonna wipe. Alexa, play relaxing music.
Here's a station for you, relaxing folk and singer-songwriter on Amazon Music.
Folk? Oh, yeah, that's nice. Tracy Chapman. Okay. Now we've got not Rocket Man, we've got right. So I've done a good 15 minutes, I would say, of that. Okay, so I did stop a little bit in between because my hands were about to drop off and to check if anything was on my hands and to wipe my hands and to apply more oil. But roughly 15 minutes of this kind of rubbing thing and nothing. I can't see that there's any improvement. I've made my face really red, probably from the friction of and you know the quantity of oil that I've put on. So I think now I'm gonna apply a nice calming mask, but I can't say that this technique has worked for me, which is really upsetting because it would be, I mean, I'd have to get stronger in my arms and my hands, but it would be a really great way if it did work. It feels less invasive than the patches that I use to suck out blackheads. And, you know, I've been trying niacinamide and salicylic acid, but, you know, yeah, maybe it reduces the quantity a bit, but I still get blackheads. So anyway, my quest will continue to look for something that really does deal with my blackheads. I have to say, unfortunately, this cleansing technique with oil has not worked for me, which is soul destroying. But yeah, there you have it. Why don't you give this technique a go and see if it works for you? So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Have you tried out this technique? If you have, then please put your comments below. It would be wonderful to hear from you. Don't forget, if you want to join the SCK tribe, just go to selfcarekaren.com and you can sign up to my mailing list. And really all left to say is thank you for joining me today. Remember, you are in perfect time. See you soon.